Fine, let us start solving the problem number 20. Right, which statement is true? So let us check out which statement is true. All hexagons are triangles because they have at least one sides. It is not possible because hexagons have 6 sides, right? Hexa means what? 6 sides, right? But triangle is what? 3 sides. So this is not possible. This is false, right? First one. Second one, let us check out. All octagons are polygons because they have at least 3 sides. See, now let us consider only this sentence. All octagons are polygons. Yes, octagons have 8 sides, right? 8 sides, and which is going to be considered as a polygon. And because they have at least 3 sides, yes, this is going to be true. Let us check out the third one, that is C. All parallelograms are rectangles because they have 2 sets of parallel sides. Yes, 2 sets of parallel sides. See, let us check out here. So this is going to be rectangle. What is that? A parallelogram, and this is going to be rectangle. But here what happens? All rectangles can be a parallelogram, but all parallelograms are not rectangles. Well, because this should be a 90 degree, but here the angle will going to change. So that's what this is going to be false. Similarly, all rhombus are squares because they have 4 sides that are all the same length. Yes, rhombus and as well as squares have same length sides. But what happens here? All rhombus are not squares, but all squares are rhombus. Right, that's what. This is also false. Here the answer is B. That is, all octagons are polygons because they have at least 3 sides. If you have 3 sides, it is going to be considered as polygons, and as well as all octagons are going to be polygons.